What's going on, guys? We have a 2001 Corvette Z06 right here that I'm going to do a kind of a refresh restoration job on this car. This is my brother's car that he accidentally crashed over here. I'll show you that in a second. But what is going to go on is I'm going to do somewhat of a refresh, restoration on this car. We are going to do a couple things. We are going to change the color, and we will get into that in just 1 second. So like I said, this is a 2001 Z06. It has an upgraded Texas Speed 224R camshaft. It has ported 243 heads. It's lowered on stock bolts, got Kooks headers, C6Z shocks, sway bar. It's got the Cadillac ATS front calipers, C6Z rotors, and a couple other things that have been added to it. So first things first, my brother got in an accident with this car a couple weeks ago. This is a front bumper that he had bought originally to put on the car. So the old one, the original one that was on there, was broken. Obviously this fender is broken. The headlight cover is broken, and some of these other pieces right here are broken. So I'm an auto body technician, a body guy by trade. So what I'm going to do is fix this car up for him. And if we look underneath the hood, the inner fender, this is all cracked right here. It's broken right here. Obviously you can't see in there, but it's all broken down the bottom too. Now, I know that this is a glue-in piece. I've switched one of these before on a different Corvette, so that's gonna have to get replaced. Also, the hood has a little bit of chips on it from where the headlight hit it right here. And then this bumper has been painted silver, but it's a used bumper, and the color doesn't really look that good with the silver anyways. So what my brother decided to do is, because he needs a new fender, he bought the Corvette Creations wide body front fenders for this thing. So this is going to get a wide body front fender kit. And then he decided, because we got to do the fender and we got to paint the door and do all that, that he might as well get the Corvette Creations rear body rear quarters, because those bolt on also. So this is going to get a complete wide body kit to it. So why stop there? We're going to end up painting the whole thing. We're going to change the color. Right now, I think what he settled on is the electron blue from 2002 and 2003 Corvettes. So this is going to get a complete paint job also. And I can show you a couple of reasons why. Obviously, because we are replacing this fender and that quarter. You know, all this stuff has to get painted. There has been some body work done on this door and on the inside, on the sill plate, on the rocker, that I need to fix. So what they did a bad job on this. They taped up the window molding, the belt molding. They taped up on this molding right here. So this door needs to get repainted anyways. We're gonna leave those moldings off. Obviously the core has been painted. It looks like the trunk has been painted at one time. So it all looks good right now, but it doesn't look perfect. So because he's going to end up, you know, fixing and replacing so many parts on this car, and he doesn't really, you know, care for the silver that much, we are going to paint the whole car anyway. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing how this goes, a whole restoration on one of these C5 Corvettes, please subscribe, stick around. I'm gonna have plenty of videos showing you guys, you know, what I'm doing, how we're doing it. This is just an introductory video right now, trying to show you guys, you know, what this car is all about. It's a pretty nice car. Obviously, with the upgraded engine, it does go very, very nicely. Got new seats in there. I can leave the link for those in the description. And it's been swapped with the heads-up display. It's obviously a standard. Don't need to buy a Corvette in an automatic, but this is a pretty nice car. He's got new wheels coming. He bought some Apex wheels. Obviously, once we get those in, you know, I'm going to show you guys everything start to finish. So obviously this is going to turn into a brand new Corvette. I'm pretty excited to work on it. That's pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, it's just a introduction to this car. I'm going to have a lot more videos out on this car, showing you guys how to take it apart, how to do the body work, what we're doing. I'm going to show you guys how we have to fit the fenders, the quarters. We're going to do things like replace pieces that we need to. These door glass, the roof moldings, they're cracked. We're going to replace those. I'm thinking that we are going to end up replacing the gasket that goes around this rear window, like they all crack. And I'm just cleaning this thing up. Like I said, I know it's filthy. I'm sure it looks pretty gross in the video, but I had to drive this through a rainstorm. That's about it for now, and check back for the next video when we start taking this car apart. First things first, we're going to take apart this front end, make sure we have every piece that we need to replace and put everything back the way it is. And then we can start taking the rest of it apart and doing it up correctly. So hopefully you guys come back and watch those videos. Thank you for watching.